I'm going to show you how I distress my jeans. I put holes in them. I'm going to find where you're going to, or where you want your hole. I already put cuts in here because the camera wasn't recording. So anyway, just I'm going to take it. Let me see. The fibers are going this way, so you want to go this way. And I just put 1, 2, 3 slits in. You don't want them to be the same size because if they distress naturally, like, you know, what hole is perfect in jeans. And then you want to take the little, pull the little fibers out. It's kind of hard to get started, but once you get started, it makes it a little easier. But you don't want to pull the white ones out. You just want to pull the blue ones out, going horizontally. See, you can kind of see it once you get going. It gets a lot easier. It's just getting those first initial few fibers to come out. But I'll do this and come back. It's a little time consuming, but it's worth it if you like the look of holy jeans. Okay, that's one way to do it. Another way is to take a razor blade and kind of like peel off a layer until a hole forms. Just be careful doing it this way. And then you can also go in with sandpaper. This is just 100 grit. And it starts to form a little hole as well. Personally, I like this method the best, pulling out the fibers. I think it looks better. But there's a couple other ways to do it too. And then of course we have to wash it. Just like whenever you make cut-off jeans or like cut-off shorts, you can't wear them until you wash them, of course. It looks so much better after they're washed. this. I think I'm going to do a little more in here. Okay, and then we'll wash it and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I washed and dried them, and here's what it looks like after it comes out of the dryer. Here's the little hole that we did with the razor and the sandpaper. Of course, we could have gone more, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. But I really like how that turned out. I did another hole right here and another pair of pants right here. I like the way this one turned out too. And this one, and then a little one up here. I did all that off camera, so well, there you have it. That's how I distress my jeans. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.